Dober Ranku, Ukrainian farmers. Luke Blechnut here from Equalizer. Just want to show you a little bit our local field day, Nampo, how it looks. I will show you the machine shortly. This is our side with all our machines on display for the show. We have the mental unit.
Okay, ons is hier so by Montblikkie en by Equalizer.
We have a C2 8-row narrow machine. And then the one that you all know, the C2 16-row 700 spacing. This is just a 76 or a 91 machine for the local show here. But there's something else I want to show you. Look at this machine. This is for our local market. This is a 32-row 76. One can do a bit of hectares a day with this one. Have a look at this. Impressive. Okay, just wanted to share a little bit something. Have a great day and hope to be at one of your shows soon. Thank you so much.